Madam, thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to talk on the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code Amendment Bill 2020. On behalf of TRS Party, the state of Telangana, I fully agree with the objects and reasons. In this crisis situation of the pandemic, all sections of society and all sectors of the economy need support and sympathy. There is a greater responsibility on the central government to create the atmosphere for economic activities to continue and pick up as far as possible and support them to the extent possible in this difficult moment. I am sure the IBC amendment bill will help the companies to keep alive, to run the companies well. To revive and support economic activities, all-round efforts are needed by the central government in the interest of the nation. In this hour of crisis, the central government must make all efforts and support institutions and state governments to minimize the distress of the people. The measures to assist states may be in several ways: financial, legal, infrastructure building, restoration of connectivity and communications, support to industries, agriculture, service sector, and business, etc. These will further generate employments to the benefits of the people in the states and as well in the nation. The state of Telangana, under the able leadership of our inspirational Chief Minister, Kalvakuntla Chandrasekhar Rao ji, the revival efforts in the state are picking up in the revolutionary basis. As far as the financial support is concerned, I have been bringing the issue of reimbursement of GST dues to all the states. At this stage, when the state is trying hard to revive all the sectors of the economy and launch all-round welfare measures for the welfare of the people of the state, financial support from the central government is important and urgently required. Therefore, I would like to highlight the issue of immediate release or reimbursement of GST, IGST, and grant for regional imbalances approximately 9,000 crores pending to the state of Telangana. There are some other financial and developmental related matters relating to the state of Telangana under consideration with the central government. Special assistance grant of 450 crores to the backward districts in the state of Telangana and release of funds under 15th Finance Commission. All these financial matters relating to disbursement to the state of Telangana are crucial from the point of view of revival of the economy, creation of employment opportunities, and the welfare of the people of state of Telangana. Thank you very much, ma'am.